everything else is brand new on the machine. First, I want to talk about Articulation Plus, and this is our industry exclusive feature. It's something that we're pointing out, especially down here on the floor, and we want to make sure customers understand the benefits of this feature. So our machine articulates less than a standard loader, but we add rear wheel steer, and this provides a tighter turning circle, greater lift capacity, and more stability. So we keep that back end weight further away from the load you're carrying. And this helps in all kinds of situations, but really provides ease into tight spaces and increases that lift capacity for the machine. Another feature that's brand new for the machine is the cab. So the cab's been redesigned. The HVAC's been moved to the outside of the cab, and you'll see it on the other side of the machine. But this has increased the space for the operator and really given some nice line of sight all around the machine. So visibility's improved, and space for the machine is improved as well. We offer an optional air ride seat with a high back and headrest. It's heated, as well as offers lumbar support. One of the other big updates for this machine is our new smooth shifting auto shift feature that goes up to 25 miles per hour. So this is a big jump from our K series, and one of the things that sets us apart is we've actually designed the software for this machine. So it's specifically designed with the gearbox in order to smooth shifts. And that'll help keep load in the bucket and also ease fatigue on the operator. So as you look around a little bit, maybe coming to the back end of the machine, one of the unique things that we have on this machine is our diagonal airflow. So air enters in on the right side or the back side, comes in through our cooling package across the engine compartment, and then back out the left where you see the open mesh on this side of the machine. One thing that this machine does keep, but with some updates, is a 4045 John Deere engine. So this is something that we've had in our 344 series machine for a long time. It is updated to FT4 emissions. And so for us, it's really important that we can provide that Deere engine inside this machine, and it's well integrated and matched. We did boost the horsepower for the new 344L series, so it's 106 gross horsepower, 103 net. We have an optional rear view camera. It's not set up on this machine, but it does come with a secondary monitor for use inside the cab. As we continue to move around the machine, one thing that you can see on this side is how well this machine pinches as it articulates, and then with that rear wheel steer, you can see how well this machine is going to turn in a tight circle. We typically are about 15% tighter turning radius than our competitors. You can also see the HVAC module that comes to the outside of the cab here, still with easy access for service. Cooling package is in a door here that can be easily reached from the ground. You can open this, get inside, blow it out or brush it out, whatever way you need to. And we offer an optional reversing fan for this machine as well. Both doors on the cab swing out fully for access, for airflow for the operator, or to talk to somebody on the ground. On the other side of the cab, I'll close the door when we get back around to that side, but you'll see that we've also included a sliding window. Up front on the machine, I want to talk to you a little bit about our new Z-Bar linkage. So we've gone near parallel with this Z-Bar linkage from ground all the way up. You'll see a 6-degree rollback in this Z-Bar linkage. So from a fork standpoint, that near parallel helps the operator when they're working through their operations keep that level load all the way from the ground all the way up. And that 6-degree rollback happens about 3/4 of the way through the lift pack. We also designed a new coupler, cast coupler, and really what this is for is to help visibility as well when you're working with forks. So this machine comes either with a pin-on bucket or the cast coupler, the ISO coupler, and then we offer a 2-yard, and new for this year is a 2.6-yard light material bucket as well. one thing you can see, no matter what side of the machine you're on, is how far down we've extended the glass in the front of the cab to improve the visibility down the mats and out to the bucket or to the forks, whatever work tool you're using. Another thing you'll see if you look to the left side of the cab from the front of the machine is the monitor that's hanging there. This is on a rail system inside the cab, which is adjustable up or down. We've also brought Auxilary Hydraulics on the primary joystick. It's a thumb pad, which gives you control for those auxiliary hydraulics. Very easy access control, and those can be proportional EH control, or you can lock those in depending on the work tool you're using. See when it works for their application. If you think about dairy farms, they have pretty tight spaces that they get into, whether it's around feed beds or working inside the barns. And so for them, we need that systematic. Other competitive machine actually size the glass down. Machine said you can get in the spot on this way, and you can size comes down the machine. So, and from that standpoint, you're talking about a turning circle, turning radius,
What's the difference between the 2 yard